Welcome to this video on finding percentages of amounts. This is the third video in the series. If you haven't watched the first two yet, you can find them on our channel. Let's have a look at some questions together. So all the questions we're going to look at in this video will suggest some useful shortcuts when finding percentages of amounts. First question is find 20% of 60. We know that 100% of a number is 60. So we can scale this down to 20% by dividing by 5. 60 divided by 5 is 12. So 20% of 60 is 12. The next question is find 90% of 600. So to find 90% of a number, start off with 100%. 100% equals 600. I'm then going to find 10%. 10% of 600 is 60. If I do 100% take away 10%, I'm left with 90%. So if I do 600 take away 60, that will leave me with 90% of the number. So 600 take away 60 is 540. 90% of 600 equals 540. The final question I'm going to look at is 99% of 300. So once again, start off with 100% of the number. 100% of 300 is 300. I'm going to find 1% of 300, which is 3. If I take 100% and take away 1%, I'm left with 99%. So I'm going to take 300 and take away 3, which is 297. So 99% of 300 equals 297. Thank you for watching this video. You can find links to more resources in the description below.